Thank you all so much for tuning in. My name is Matt Wayman. I'm a criminal defense attorney with the Hammer Law Firm based out of St. Louis, Missouri. Normally on this channel, what I like to share is tips and tutorials on how to more effectively interact with the criminal justice system in Missouri and Illinois. Today I wanted to do something a little bit different. Today I wanted to share a little bit more personal of a video. This is what I do in a day as a criminal defense attorney. This morning we have to drive down to Pike County, which is about an hour and 20 minutes away from where we're located out of St. Louis. We have an arraignment with a client that we're representing. An arraignment is a formal reading of the charges against a person. After that arraignment, we're going to jump right back into the car and drive all the way back to St. Louis City, where we have what is called the 16B docket. The city of St. Louis has contracted myself as well as other private criminal defense attorneys to represent people that do not have attorneys at bond hearings. So that is what we're going to do today as well. So without further ado, this is a day in the life of a criminal defense attorney.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
We're just getting into Bowling Green right now. We're going to cruise over to the courthouse to go meet with our client before this hearing. All right, we just finished up with our hearing. Now we're off to the city of St. Louis. A notable thing that happened during that court date was another attorney actually got arrested. He had been recently indicted by a grand jury down in Pike County for sending drugs into the local jail. So if there's any defense attorneys out there watching this, don't do that. All right, we're heading to St. Louis. So while I'm on the way back to St. Louis, I wanted to chat with you about the difference between bail and bond. I get this question a lot from clients. So when you think about bond, think about conditions. And when you think about bail, think about money. So the judge will set forth conditions of your bond, which will allow you to be released from custody pending the resolution of your case. The conditions of your bond can include that you wear a GPS monitor, that you have no contact with the victim. It can also include bail, which is a monetary amount. So a condition of your bond could be that you post a bail. So again, when you think about bond, think about conditions, and when you think about bail, think about money. And now back to our regularly scheduled drive, all the way back to the city of St. Louis. So we just arrived in the city of St. Louis where we're going for the 16B docket. We're just trying to find a parking spot right now. This is the St. Louis City Circuit Court Criminal Division. Again, we are private criminal defense attorneys. We're retained by the city of St. Louis to represent people that do not have attorneys that are going in front of a judge for either initial appearances or bond hearings or both a lot of the times. So right down here in lovely downtown St. Louis. I brought my drone with me, so maybe I can get some drone footage afterwards if we have any time, because the vistas are beautiful down here. So I am filming this on my phone now. Too dark to use the camera right now. So we just finished up with the 16B docket in the city. Just a brief docket of 5 hours and 45 minutes. That is the longest one that I've been a part of in a while. There was just a lot of people that have been taken in custody over the weekend that needed representation. We finished up with that. Now we're heading home to put the kiddos down to bed, get them some food, read them some books, and then I will update you when I get back to the office later tonight. I had planned on getting back to my home office this afternoon to get some work done, but that's just kind of how things go. Things come up and run a little bit long, and you just kind of have to roll with the punches. So I'll update you when I get back to the home office later tonight to get some work done that I did not get done today. We're back. It's about 8:15. Kiddos are asleep. I'm down in the home office probably till about 9:30, just catching up on some stuff I didn't get done today. Then we're going to shut it down. We got a pretty big day tomorrow. I hope this video has been a decent overview on what I do every day as a criminal defense attorney. It's a lot of driving. It's a lot of seeing other lawyers get arrested. It's a lot of defending people that don't have attorneys. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out directly. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in. We're going to be back soon with more videos.